Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen how the acids react with metals. In this video we are going to see how the carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid. To do this we have to perform a small activity here, simple activity. So for this simple activity we need two test tubes, that is test tube. This test tube, label them as A, and this test tube, label them as B. So to do this activity we need two test tubes and some material also. So the material is sand, a delivery tube, a thistle funnel, and another test tube containing lime water. So in this also, so there are two activities. First activity's purpose is carbonates react with acids, and the second activity metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids. So first of all we have to take, in both test tubes we have to take 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate in test tube A, and in test tube B 0.5 grams of NaHCO3. So carbonates in test tube A, metal hydrogen carbonates in test tube B we have to take here. Then add 2 ml of HCl in both the test tubes with the help of the thistle funnel. So adding 2 ml of dilute HCl. So in this one 2 ml of dilute HCl. So in both test tubes we have to add 2 ml of dilute HCl with the help of the thistle funnel. After adding the dilute HCl into the sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate, what will happen? Immediately the reaction will be begin. So after adding the dilute HCl into the sodium carbonate, the reaction takes and immediately it begins. A gas will be formed. So the evolved gas pass through the delivery tube into the freshly prepared lime water test tube. So already this is a lime water. We have to prepare a fresh solution. Lime water is nothing, not a lemon water. Lime water is a solution of calcium hydroxide. Lime water is nothing but calcium hydroxide. So in this evolved gas pass through the delivery tube into the lime water. So after evolved gas pass through the lime water turns milky white. It turns milky white. So it also turns milky white. When the evolved gas pass through the delivery tube into the freshly prepared lime water, it turns milky white. So in both these activities, when the acid react with sodium carbonate, when the acid react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, and when the evolved gas into the in both cases the lime water turns milky white. That is nothing but a white precipitate. The lime water turns into a white precipitate. This means a white precipitate means it forms the evolved gas. It indicates that the evolved gas is carbon dioxide. We know that only the gas the lime water turns into milky white, only the gas, the evolved gas is here carbon dioxide. Let's see the reactions occurred in this activity. So the first case, in this first case, this is the first case. So sodium carbonate adding with dilute HCl, we get, so here the double displacement reaction will be occurred here. So what happened? This is salt and the products are salt, carbon dioxide and water. These are the products for this activity. So balance the equation, we get 2Na, CH2, H2, 2H2. So this is the balance equation. This equation is for the first activity, this one. And let us see the second reaction. In this case, what is in this? We have to take here NaHCO3. So NaHCO3 plus HCl. So in this case also we have NaCl, CO2 plus H2O. CO2 is a gas. So here NaCl, Cl, H2, O2 plus 1, 3. So here already the equation is balanced. So these are the reactions occurred in this activity. So from this test tube, which gas is evolved here? Carbon dioxide gas is evolved. This carbon dioxide gas mixed with lime water. So lime water is nothing but a calcium hydroxide. So evolved gas pass through the lime water. That means lime water is CaOH taken twice. CaOH taken twice. So the evolved gas is CO2. It takes reaction. It forms milky white. That is a precipitate, a white precipitate. White precipitate means calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Then water. So this is a precipitate, white precipitate. This reaction is occurred in these test tubes, in both these test tubes, this reaction. So the evolved gas is here carbon dioxide. So already we prepared lime water solution. So the carbon dioxide gas mixed with lime water and it forms a white precipitate or milky white, that is calcium carbonate. If the evolved gas is excess amount of gas is passed into the freshly lime water, what will happen? Let us see here. Excess of CO2. Excess of CO2. If the evolved gas is excess, so here already white precipitate CaCO3 is formed. So then CaCO3 reacts with excess amount of carbon dioxide we get, and then what happened here? Sorry, plus H2O. These are the products of the LA reaction. Now we have to take as a reactants plus excess of carbon dioxide. So it forms calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. Here milky white disappears. milky white disappears and these are soluble in water. Soluble in water. This is the actual equation we get here. So once again I repeat this equity. So here sodium hydrogen carbonate adding with HCl, we get a carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide mixed with lime water, calcium hydroxide, we get a white precipitate, calcium carbonate. So in the excess amount of carbon dioxide, so it reacts with calcium carbonate and water, we get calcium hydrogen carbonate. So here the milky white is disappeared. So the calcium hydrogen carbonate is soluble in water. This is the activity about the. So which gas is evolved here? When the acids reacts with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, the carbon dioxide gas is evolved here. So this is the activity. So we have to look at the general equation for this. Okay, pause the button and copy the notes, dear students. For the general equation for this activity, so what is general equation here? Here carbonates, metal carbonates. First of all, which were taken? Metal carbonates. Metal carbonate. This is first case. So metal carbonate means sodium carbonate. Sodium is a metal, carbonate CO3. Metal carbonate. Reaction with what? Hydrochloric acid. Acid. That is acid. So metal carbonate plus acid. What we get? We get salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. This is the general solution for the carbonates. And the second one is what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid. This is the first one and this is the second one. What we get? The same products, that is salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is the general equation for this activity. So what we get here, when the acids reacts with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, the evolved gas is here carbon dioxide. So the excess amount of carbon dioxide reacts with the calcium hydroxide solution, we get a white precipitate, that is calcium carbonate. When the excess amount of calcium carbonate passing through the white precipitate like calcium carbonate, we get calcium hydrogen carbonate. So these are the reactions for this activity. Okay children.